Good day, Riding Texan here. I am going to take a solo ride to Abilene, Texas. We're going to meet up with some buddies of mine and watch some RC helicopter flying. That's a pretty good ride to Abilene. Got into that one groovy road area. I did not like that after watching the doodle on their little motorcycle. How you doing, Mike?
Fucking give me Great to see you, Dave.
Well, good to see you.
Well, Harley, had a trip.
Oh yeah, made it good. This event is known as an RC helicopter fun fly, where everybody gets together, brings their helicopters, flies, do a little buy, sell, and trading. It's like a motorcycle rally for all of us who ride motorcycles. I only got to spend about 3 hours at the fun fly, but it was enough time to visit with some old friends. Anyway, to make it back home before it gets dark, I gotta head out. As always, I hope you enjoyed this little ride along. And until next time, Riding Texan here, keep the shiny side up.